Okay guys, let's take a look at the Motorola One Macro. Picked up for around £160. 6.2 inch 720p display. Again, might put a few people off. Macro vision camera, 2 GHz octa-core CPU, 4 GB of RAM, 4000 mAh battery, 64 GB of internal storage, and this is the space blue colour. So this is my first Motorola phone. Comes in a silicone case, clear one. Packaging. Manuals, leaflets, Type-C cable. On the box it says rapid charge. This is a 10 watt charger. And you get SIM tray ejector tool. Let's have a look at the build. Okay, wow, that's really nice. That's a space blue effect. And yeah, that's really, really smart. So we have a main 13 megapixel lens with laser autofocus. We also have the dedicated macro lens and a depth sensor as well. It's a plastic back, feels very solid. The phone is 9mm thick and weighs 186 grams. This fits quite nicely in my hand. It's very smooth, does feel solid like I said. USB Type-C speaker and a microphone. We have a tactile power button there, which is good. Volume rocker, 3.5mm socket, and a SIM tray. So let's open it up. Well, peel the front off and turn it on. So this is running Android 9. This was released or announced in October, so it's a couple of months old. The bezels look a little bit thick for my liking around the edges, but anyway, let me set it up. So here it is, guys, the Motorola. The display looks really, really nice. I like that. The wallpaper helps as well. IPS LCD display, only 720p though. But the quality of the screen looks very, very good. I'm pleased with that. So the Motorola detects when you lift it up and displays a fancy little display there with the time and the date and battery percentage, which is pretty cool. Fingerprint sensor. Works. I've definitely used faster, but this is quick enough. So it's pretty much stock Android experience in terms of applications. That's all you get there on the screen. A couple of pages. You have a Motorola button there. Welcome to Moto. And scroll up. A couple of Motorola things there. Motorola notifications and Moto. You also get Google Translate pre-installed on there as well. But on the whole, a pretty much stock experience, which is good. So 4 gigs of RAM. Seems to be pretty nippy when navigating through the phone. Doesn't seem to be sluggish. Helio P70 octa-core processor as well. It's looking alright. But the thing I want to test is the camera. I want to take a look at this macro lens. Let's boot this up. So I'm going to do the macro test first. So here's the interface. It's on automatic at the moment, so there's automatic scene recognition. So it should, if I get close enough, display a macro setting maybe. Oh yes, switch to macro, okay. Macro on. See how close we can get. So that's in focus. That's close. So if we're at this distance now, let me go back to normal portrait mode. Not focused at all on there. Looks better on the camera than it actually does here. So let's switch to macro. And yeah, focus. So that's good, you can definitely get close to the subject. So let's just go to normal photo mode. Let's try this. That looks pretty good. So for video mode, we have full HD. That's fine. So let's shoot. There's no settings for stabilization or anything. So let's go. Okay, so we're on the Motorola One Macro in video mode, set to full HD. The setting that's on the actual phone. Testing the image quality, stabilization, and of course sound quality as well. It's not looking that bad at the moment. How does it handle that? The light. That's good. Autofocus is good. Yep. Okay. That'll do. I now want to test portrait mode, the bokeh mode. Okay, and we can drag at the bottom. There's a little bar here to increase or decrease the intensity. So it there. Here we go. That looks really nice. Very impressed with that. Okay, let me switch now to front-facing camera. Got it. Now we are in portrait mode at the moment, so I'm going to take a photo, portrait. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Hair sticking up there at the top. Sort of blurred that out a little bit, but on the whole, quality is decent as well. It's not too bad. Let's go to front-facing video. Selfie camera, full HD. Okay, let's do it this way. Landscape, here we go. Okay, so front-facing camera on the Motorola One Macro. So this is a bit dark, I shouldn't be doing that. I'd expect the camera to kick in and brighten my face there. In front of the window. I don't know, but that's really dark around there as well. It struggles with letting more light into the lens, I think. It is a little bit darker than I'd like. It's not dark outside. So sound quality, is that okay? Stabilization seems to be alright. Need a shave. I mean, picture quality looks fine. It's just the light. I think it's just a little bit. I think it's a little bit dark on here for the camera. Let me know what you think, guys. Thanks. Let's have a little bit of video footage. Because it's 720p, you only get 720p. That's fine. Let's have a look. It's not rotating. Have I got rotate off? Yes, I have. There we go. Wow, okay. Pinch zoom, that's good. And that looks really good. It's decent. Let's see how bright this screen is. Put up a touch more. There we go. That's maximum brightness. I think that looks pretty decent. Yeah, I don't think you can complain with that display. It's nice. Okay, the speaker test. That is really loud. Now, I was quite impressed by that loudspeaker. A good amount of volume and very, very clear frequencies, and sound quality was pretty good as well. It does not sound cheap and tinny. It feels very, very full. So yeah, loudspeaker is very good. So that's pretty much it for the first look and unboxing on the Motorola One Macro. Macro lens seems to have worked. You can get a lot closer to subjects than the normal lens. Fingerprint magnet look. but lovely colour that is. Should just buffer off. Yeah, I like that design. Oh, there's plastic back of the colour, and the shift is very, very nice. Fingerprint sensor works well. Solid build, really nice display. Camera looks pretty decent. Selfie camera was a little bit disappointing because it's quite dark, but the rest of it was pretty much bang on. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Links are in the description below if you want to take a look. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.